Hi everyone, my name is Oliver Nakakande and we are here at the New Life Discipleship Church here in Bugonya. I'm here with my team from my foundation, the Oliver Nakakande Foundation. So we brought this project which is making reusable sanitary towels, teaching the community here, girls and mothers, on how to make these and how to keep them clean. So such projects are very useful because they are very sustainable and reusable. You can use this for years, for a year, for 2 years, depending on how good you keep it. So we are skilling them so that they can also carry on the skill to share with others. So we have a divided audience. We have mothers, we have teenagers, we have like some adults here as well. So it's a very good initiative and I hope that the skills will be helpful in the future.
Jesus is your name, name above all names. King of kings, Lord of lords, the only one true God. Your rule never ends, you reign forevermore. Beautiful, mighty God, the Lamb upon the throne. Jesus is your name. His name is Yahweh. I call him Yahweh.
Fena tuvunama tusinza omulangiro w'emirembe
owakabaka w'obujje byoyagala bikolebwe mu ffe Yesu.